go to the orders section. The orders will basically tell you about all the orders that have been taken place on your store. So here are some dummy examples for orders. So let us go and click on view. So once you click on view, it will show you a more detailed dashboard for the order. Okay, I don't know what this is called, but it will show you the order in more detail. So there are some options, like you can update the status for an order. So suppose if an order is already made and the payment has been accepted, you can click on payment accepted. Okay, so the customer will get an email saying that the payment was being accepted. So basically this is a very good way to keep your customers informed. Okay, so this is all for orders. So invoices and so on, like there are all options in PrestaShop. Okay, these are the options for invoices. Okay, so these are all the options that are related to orders. So here I'll go to statuses because this is the one that is frequently used. So you remember that I was talking about some payment accepted thing. So if you want to add a new status, like there is some new status requirement for your store, like refunded order or something like that. There is all refunded order is already there, but I was just giving you an example. So suppose if you have payment accepted from using cash, so you can create a new type of order status using this plus icons. Okay, this buttons, just click on it. You have to just enter in the name, that is payment accepted using cash, and then click on save. It's really easy. You can even select the type of email that is going to be used for that status, what email will be sent to the customer, and so on. So now let's go to the next tab, that is customers. So in customers, basically you can see all the customers for your store. There is another section from where you can see the news people who are signing up through the newsletter. So there is a module called newsletter. I'll show you that later on. Okay, so for now these are the customers on your store. There is just a single customer for dummy data. As soon as customers register to your store, they will be added to this particular list under customers. So these are the addresses. These are the things that are not frequently used, so I'm just going to avoid that for this tutorial. Shopping carts will tell you about the shopping carts on your store. So suppose if a customer has placed an order halfway, then you will get to see that under shopping carts. Okay, so let's just have a look at that, quick look. So these are all the orders that had been taken place. Okay, or active. It will tell you about the status and everything, what amount and so on, what are the items in the cart and so on. Okay,